guys, this is Jamie back here, and today we're at the beach because it's my birthday. So, yeah, we're at the beach. Buddy, how about you tell them what we're on?
No.
Okay, well, we're on this big orange thing. There's the harbour that we jumped in last time. But so guys, we just got out of the sea. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So me and my brother Rory, we're just going adventuring, aren't we? Whoa! Yeah. So, yeah. That's a tail. So guys, we just came back from me and Buddy's adventure, and we just
Put the crab on him.
you can see we just saw our dad just sitting there on the orange. So we're gonna put a crab on him. Crabs now. So this is the giant crab we found earlier. Okay guys, so me and Buddy are gonna play this game. This is the area around something. And Buddy will have to find it. We're gonna buy this rock. So I'll buy it, and then Buddy will have to find it. So I'm gonna set boundaries, and then the person who has time to find it, they have to do hot ass. Hot ass. Go! Okay guys, timer's on. Buddy's just looking put it somewhere near the side. He's looking quite suspicious. A bunch of things over there, so he thinks it's over there. Okay, I never thought about that. Okay, Buddy. 3. He's gonna hurt us. 2. Okay. 1. Go! So, 16 seconds it's been. Damn, Buddy, you're not doing too well yet. 21. That's quite. I'm quite. Where? Where's your shot? He needs to get it. Good tack, Buddy. He's got it. So you took 2 minutes, 29 seconds. So now, now you're gonna burn it. Where?
2, 1, go.
2 minutes. Oh!
Here.
Because when I'm done it, I sold it bad. Oh my god!
3.
Okay. Wait. Come on! Yes! How much of it?
1 minute 47.
Yum. Fun day out. So, you know how it's 11th of July and today's my birthday?